My name is Elizabeth Delatorre and I am a mom here at Excel. And today we're filming a day in the life.
Doing schoolwork from home, it makes me feel very independent. I could catch up on my work and I could do it anywhere I want.
Our routines change depending on what season we're in. Right now, the girls are pretty independent because I have a 6th grader and a 4th grader, so they're pretty much doing a lot of work on their own. We do sit down together and do family subjects such as history and science.
My favorite subject is history because I've always had an inclination to stories of good and evil and how basically the world came to be. My favorite part of my day was probably reading. Excel provides so many endless opportunities on whatever you'd like to do and your passion. Sometimes I do music, pottery, basketball. You could do entrepreneur things. Some of the things I've worked on is bookmarks and scrunchies. It helped me with math to deal with money and change.
The charter creates so many different resources as well as opportunities to gather together. We've had park days, events, extracurriculars.
To me, the coolest thing about my school is definitely the field trips and the outdoor classroom. Today I learned about metamorphosis with butterflies, and I've seen some butterflies passing by, and now I can fully appreciate their life cycle. My teacher, Miss Becky, is such an incredible help to me. She's always encouraged me. We've been able to grow a relationship over the years, from kindergarten till now.
Excel Academy's flex-based learning model pairs a credentialed teacher with a parent educator to ensure high academic learning is achieved. I've been working with the Delatorre family for 7 years now. It has been an absolute joy. They have such a growth mindset and have really, really embraced our flexible model.
Having a teacher come alongside the family is so effective in that you're not alone. Homeschooling definitely has developed an opportunity to bond with my children because we are spending intentional time together. We get to root for each other, figure out how to work together as a team, and bring learning to life.
Homeschooling with Excel has really taught me that I could love learning.